So the washing machine can push out the water. Here in the back I will unscrew this one. The water will come out and this has a filter in it. So just rotate it to the left. Water will come out. Oops, is this full of water? No, it isn't. A lot of water was trapped inside, and that's the cause why so much water was inside. Okay, now it has this cut on the right side. It's not straight because of the twisting. The water is coming from the right side to the left side, so this one has to be with these pins on the right side, so the left side should be flat. If I move the washing machine, more water might come out. Yep. It has a orientation thing, so you can rotate it here, but if you push it in, then you cannot rotate it there. Only the end can be rotated. And that's it. So the door has to be closed. Here's the error, but we can trick that. The screws are removed from this plate, and I can lift this up, and if you take a look, this one will raise this. If I raise this element, then the error should disappear. Okay, and now it will remove the water. speaker is not working correctly.